National Weather Service in Wilmington has
Fail.
issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Kenton County, central Boone County, until 7 p.m. At 6:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Union, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Florence, Independence, Erlanger, Ellesmere, Walton, Oak Brook, Union, and Visalia. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 71 in Kentucky between mile markers 76 and 77. Interstate 75 in Kentucky between mile markers 168 and 182. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Here is the official